Discuss today. Here it is. This guy, I call him Frankenstein. Why? Because this is the 21-year-old, the 2002 Fujifilm FinePix S2-Pro digital camera that has Fujifilm written on the front, and it also has Nikon written on the front. Oh my gosh, we have so much to discuss today. First, business, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and email me any photography question. I will answer it for free. blackandwhitephoto@aol.com is my personal email address. Nobody else out there in photography video